Okay, y'all, here we are with another Behind the Box for October. I'm sorry it took so long, but we wanted to get these ghosts out. This was a huge success, sold out. I saved a couple, for surprise times and giveaways and stuff like that, but if you didn't get one, try to get with someone who did get some and try one, because I really want everyone to have this cigar. It is unbelievable. I can't wait to hear the reviews on it. Okay, so there's that. Let's get into this month's Behind the Box for October. All right. Oh, the Mad Monkeys wanted this little monkey.
Nice, I see that.
It's a banger, bro. Well, oh boy. I'm saying from here on in, it's just nothing but like unbelievable stuff. Like, I don't know how I keep getting the confidence to feel like it's going to keep getting better and better, but it's the test blends, the level of factory, the people that we're working with. These are tobacco geniuses, kings. Whew. Well, let's look at these things because we got some cool stuff here, man. So we decided to do something a little more playful this year. A lot of people loved the aged box that we did with Lost and Found for Halloween last year. This year we wanted to switch it up a little bit, and we wanted to get a little more costumey and a little more fun. Some aged, but a little less focus on the age. Remember, when we first put that box out, we got a lot of people say, oh, I didn't like it. As time went on and you realized that you were smoking 8-year aged cigars, people started to go crazy for the box. Now it's one of the most sought after boxes. It's crazy how it works like that, Johnny.
Great box.
I thought it was, and then I lost confidence in it when I got a few complaints, and then all of a sudden everyone fell in love with it. So, all right, first thing on our list, this is something Matt Booth made especially for Privada Cigar Club. Matt loved the Death Bucket 2. It made it on some top 25 lists. He wanted to make the Death Bucket 2 in a 6x46 with an Ecuadorian Habano. I believe the original Death Bucket 2 was a Habano, a Nicaraguan Habano. This is an Ecuadorian Habano, and it gives ways to very unique flavors. It definitely added something to this blend, and the size is just perfect. Matt is in a pair of, I don't know what that is, a thong or something? Yeah, we call it the naked booth, and he's got a cape on too. He's in very good shape. I don't know if he's in this good a shape in real life.
That's what happens when you jump into a ping pong table, just flat out.
So, yeah, man, very cool band, iconic. You can only get it here. It will only be made for us, and this was made at Joya de Nicaragua. So there's that. Okay, then we have, we got the Mad Monkey. This is the Mad Monkey. This is made at Tabacalera Perla. I always have trouble with that. Perla. So it's at Tabacalera Perla by Guillermo. And Guillermo worked with Tony Barrios of Stione Cigars.
Nice.
Tony was like, what is going on with this band when he saw the band? And I was like, listen, you're going to have to talk to the guys about that. He spoke to them. They told him exactly what they wanted out of a blend. And when they smoked it, they were like, it feels like it's impossible. Like, he just nailed it. So this is the Mad Monkey, exclusive to us for Halloween. Working on some more things from these guys, but great story. If you haven't seen the story of the Mad Monkey, please go back I'll try to tag it in the something on the end of this video.
In the description, we'll put it down there.
Yeah, and I think the Mad Monkey's aged like 9 months or 10 months. Let me see. Doesn't say, but the Mad Monkey is aged about 9 or 10 months.
That's gonna be a strong cigar.
This one's the freshest one in the pack. I think it's like 6 months. Okay, and this one is one that I've been sitting on for, let me see, 1 year. We've had this for 1 year. Okay, and Hochi Blanco made this. It's called the Not Tony. Okay, because we don't want William making more phone calls to corporate attorneys. So we have entered into what we call the Sharpie series. The Sharpie, Clark, what is that when Picasso went through like a blue period? This is the Sharpie period for Privada. You're going to start to see a lot of things with the Sharpie on them. These were projects that we worked really hard on, and we don't want to just trash them. So we're taking a Sharpie to the front of them. We're destroying the image so that you can't see what it was. Because honestly, even though it's a parody and we're protected by parody law, I don't even want to deal with it. It's so much easier when no one's telling me what to do, because then I just have the freedom to be the artist that I am and just listen to your feedback, okay? This cigar is fantastic. In fact, I will be smoking this after this video. How good is this, Clark? It's one we've been sitting on like, man, and they've been pretty wet for the most of their lives until now. They're ready to smoke. Hochi is a very unique cigar manufacturer. He grows his own tobacco, and that's really, I mean, vertical integration is so important, dude. It's like, because the Smishaban, you know, you guys fell in love with that, and this is that up a notch, because I kind of asked for a similar.
That should have been the
This tobacco is so sweet. If you put your mouth to it, you say, oh, this is sugar tipped. There's no way it's not sugar tipped. So I asked Hochi 5 different times. He said, no. There is a process. There's a way that you can bring the sugars of the tobacco to the wrapper level as you're fermenting. And he says that he has a process that where he can get it just right and make.
Scientists, bro. That's what they are.
It's almost like a licorice stick.
I tasted a lot of cinnamon when I was smoking this.
Bro, this cigar, if you can get your hands on one, do it. And try to get your hands on multiple so you can save them. These are all going to be legendary status cigars. I'm not saying just this box, but going forward, we have like a year and a few months of... I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to let the cigars do the talking. We're starting. You'll see what happens when people get the ghosts. They're going to go nuts. They're going to talk about that cigar. All right, that's sort of where it's beginning. Then we're going into these packs, right? And then there's going to be some LCA releases. Last month, the LCA release, everybody talked about it. The champagne, I think people may have talked about the champagne. Clark, people talked about the champagne almost more than they did the release.
People love the champagne. People love both, but the shop owners kept asking me about champagne.
So
I don't even remember releasing that. That's how amazing that is.
It was LCA plus. We don't make a big deal of it.
Oh, okay.
You know what cigar that was though? The Lancero.
Yeah.
The Connecticut Lancero.
Yeah.
Bro. So we're in a really good situation, and this is all because of how loud and proud you guys have been. And that's it. I think I went longer than I even wanted to. Your B-roll is amazing. Thank you. And hashtag we are Privada, hashtag we are the future, hashtag we are family, hashtag BOTL, SOTL, and put some smoke in the air.
Happy Halloween.
Smoke cigars every day. No.